Fam, what's up, fam? Um, okay, so finally had a chance to think about this. Think about this diverter situation here, um, and what I have discovered is this is going to be a process for a minute. Okay, so I was originally going to try to take this off, unscrew this, and everything like that. Can't do that. I think I told y'all that last time. I thought maybe there was a set screw underneath there. There's not. I actually got another video I'm gonna show you in just a second that'll show you the through here, the back side, so what all that looks like in there. And so that I wanted to know exactly what was going on with it. And it does screw off, but there's probably so much corrosion and everything like that built up on it that it won't come off. And if I was to try to take it off, it will probably end up, I'd end up breaking it or something like that. I thought about cutting it off as an option, because you can see I got a little bit of pipe sticking out there. I said, well, maybe I can cut it off. But then I thought if I do that, then it's going to be not really, I may not have enough, or I might have to end up doing some other stuff. It's all kind of crazy complicated. So I said, nah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can go buy another one of these. This right here. Well, not this, but this right here. Let me see if I can show you. See that? I'm hoping that that's getting that. That little blue diverter underneath there. I said if I can get another one of those, then I can figure out how to take it off and replace it. And then I should be good. And I can go back to enjoying the shower the way a shower is supposed to be, with full force and everything like that. So I ended up, oh, and by the way, whenever you go to the hardware store or anything like that, make sure you ask for the old dude. All right. You need to ask for the old plumber. Okay. First person to come and help you. If you know what you're looking for and they can't help you find it, go ask them if there's anybody there that is a seasoned plumber. Okay. Because if you get somebody who's not a seasoned plumber, I'm not going to put the store on blast and all that like I probably should. I'm not going to put the employee on blast and all of that. But I am going to just simply say this. This is what I was looking for. And they told me, or he told me, the original employee, the first employee that I talked to told me that they didn't have it. Well, I know that they should have it. Obviously, they did have it, but he didn't know that they had it. So it was the old dude, the OG Plumber, that said, oh, yeah, we got that. Here it is right here. So now that I have that, I can't hold the camera and do everything that I need to do underneath there. But what I will do is I will show you what I did as best I can in just a minute. But what I'm going to do now is the one that's in here now, I'm going to take it out. And as I understand from the instructions, let me show you the instructions on the back real quick. It says probably use like a pair of needle nose pliers or something like that to get up in there and open it up in order to pull the diverter out. So it should be quick and easy. So I'm going to do that right quick, and I'll let you know how quick and easy it really was. Be right back.